Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Toyota Corolla. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You will need a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 4 to 5 quarts of the correct new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to secure your vehicle after lifting it. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now let's drain the old oil. Safely position your drain pan beneath the engine's oil pan. Locate the drain plug, typically a 17mm bolt. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the used oil to flow completely into the pan. This step can take several minutes, so be patient and ensure all the old oil has drained before proceeding. Remember, proper disposal of used oil is crucial for the environment. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the old oil filter, usually near the front of the engine. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it firmly. Now for the fresh oil. Locate your engine's oil fill cap and carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 4 to 5 quarts for a Corolla. Replace the cap, then start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, and then check the level with the dipstick. Ensure there are no leaks around the drain plug or new filter. Dispose of your used oil responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.